welcome back to World of Maths. So this video we are continuing the third chapter, pair of linear equations and two variables. We have done the introduction video and the first part of the exercise. Please watch before watching this. Also, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. So the second question from the first exercise is to form pair of linear equations and find the solution graphically. We have done the first question. This is similar to the previous question. So question is 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost 50, whereas 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost 46. Find the cost of 1 pencil and that of 1 pen. So we have given the cost of pencils and pens. We need to find the cost of 1 pencil and 1 pen by forming two linear equations and plotting the coordinates on a graph and find the solution by graphical method. So let's form the linear equation. So the first we have given 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost 50. So let cost of 1 pencil be x. The cost of 1 pencil we are taking it as x and 1 pen is taking it as y. So the first equation we can form as 5 pencils and 7 pens together is 50. So 5 pencils, which is 5x plus 7y equals to 50. So this is our equation number 1. So 5x plus 7y equals to 50 is the first equation, and secondly we have given 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost 46. So which is 7 pencils, 7x plus 5y equals to 46. So this is our second equation. Now we need to find the coordinates for both equations, then plot that on a graph. So let's take the first equation, which is 5x plus 7y equals to 50. We can replace the value of x and y, any of that which we can. So I am taking it as 5x. Where to replace the value of x, so it is 5x equal to, bringing 5x this side, so then we will take 7y to other side, 50 minus 7y, which is x equals to, we will get 50 minus 7 by divided by 5. So we have the value of x equals to 50 minus 7 by divided by 5. Now let's replace the values of x to find the value of y. So here what we need to take care is because the value of x is divisible by 5. So here it is divisible by 5. So we need to replace the value of y, which will easily gives when we subtract that value from 50, which is divisible by 5. So we need to apply the basic logic of divisible method. So any number, if you are multiplying by 7, then subtracting by 50, that number needs to be divisible by 5. We can replace y with 1, 2, 3 like any numbers, but the answer will fall on a decimal or fraction, so which will be difficult for us to plot on a graph. So as an easier method, we need to replace the value of y, which will be easily, after subtracting from 50, then it needs to be easily divisible by 5. So let's assume take value of y as 0. So y equals to 0. Replacing the value of y in this equation, we can write it as 50 minus 7 multiplied by 0 divided by 5. So which is 50 minus 0 by 5, which is 10. So value of x is 10. So when we replace the value of y to 0, we got the value of x as 10. So we can write here, when value of x is y is 0, the value of x is 10. Now let's replace the value of y to 5. So then we know 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. So 50 minus 35 will give you 15. So which is divisible by, which ends with 5 or 0. We need to find a number which ends with 5 or 0, so that it is divisible by 5. So let's assume the value of y to be 5. So that is 50 minus 7y. 7 multiplied by 5. 7y, we have replaced the value of y to 5 divided by 5. So which is 50 minus 35 by 5, which is 15 by 5, which is 3. Now we got the value of x as 3. So when replacing the value of y to 5, we have x as 3. So we have here and value of x as 3. Now let's replace the value of y to 10. So which we know, which is also will be divisible by 5. So let's take, if we replace the value of y to 10, so it is 50 minus 7 into 10, 7 into 10 divided by 5, which is 50 minus 70 by 5, which will give you minus 20 by 5, that is minus 4. So it is minus 4. So now we have find the coordinates of the first equation, which is x and y. Now let's find the coordinates of the second equation. Let's find the coordinates of second equations, which is 7x plus 5y equals to 40. This is our second equation. I have put the value for y minus 2, 5 and 12. So let's make it as 7x equals to, we can simplify as 46 minus 5y, x equals to 46 minus 5y divided by 7. In the previous equation we have seen it was divisible by 5. So here we need to find a number which is divisible by 7. So y needs to be a number when multiplied by 5, then subtracting by 46, that number needs to be divisible by 7. So I have already written the y coordinates here, so which will be easily divisible by 7. So no, it will not fall on a decimal or fraction. So let's replace the value of y to minus 2. So let's replace the value of y as minus 2. That will be 46 minus 5 multiplied by minus 2 divided by 7. So which is 46 plus 10 by 7, which is 56 divided by 7. So the value of 8, x is 8. So when we replaced the value of y to minus 2, we got the value of x as 8. Next we can take 5. Let's replace the value of y to 5. So that is 46 minus 5 multiplied by 5 divided by 7. So that will be 46 minus 25 by 7, which is 21 by 7. Value of x is 3. So when value of y is 5, we got the x as 3. Now let's take the value of y be 12. So again that is 46 minus 5 multiplied by 12 divided by 7. So that is 46 minus 5 multiplied by 12 is 60 divided by 7, that is minus 14 by 7 will give you minus 2. So that is minus 2. So now we have found the coordinates for first equation. So first equation, which is x plus y 7, x plus 5y is equal to 50, and the other one second equation, here we have find the coordinates of both equations. Let's plot that. So first equation is when the value of x is 10. So when we have the value of x is 10, the value of y is 0. So it falls on a graph here. It falls here. So now when the value of x, which is here 3, and the value of y is 5, which is here. So it falls right here. Next one, the x value of x is 4, minus 4, and value of y is 10. So that will be minus 4 and 10, which is here, right? Yes. So we have formed 3 coordinates for the first equation. Now let's plot for the second equation, which is x. Value of x is 8 and value of y is minus 2. So y 8 and minus 2. So which is down here. And the second one, x is 3 and 5. So again it is x is 3 and y is 5. So it falls on the same. So already we have the solution. Anyway, we will draw the line. We will join the points together. Then the third one for the second equation is x value of x is minus 2 and value of y is 12. So which is here. Yeah. So now we have found 3 points of both equations. Let's join that together. So after joining that points, the graph will looks like. So this is the point which has intersected, which is 3 and the value of x is 3 and the value of y is 5, which is 3 and the coordinates of this equation is 3. This point is 3 and 5. So now the x is the value of the cost of pencil, x equals to 3 and the cost of pen is equal to 5. I hope you understood this. So students, let's continue this exercise with the rest of the questions in next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Please like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.